Okay guys, we're in the waterfront. I'm gonna show you this cool store, mostly for Chris, so you can see it. Oh my gosh, he would love it in there.
He would.
Is it permanent? Part-time help.
I think that's the store that just opened up down here.
He's gonna love it in there.
He is. Oh no.
Oh, I had to record it for Chris. Here we go.
He's going to die in here.
All his checks are gonna go to the store.
They are.
He's gonna get paid and then be broke because he bought comic books.
Yeah.
I'm gonna just laugh.
Can we go see it, please?
Look at this quality. You see this quality?
Do I look like a real mom?
I look super bright for some reason. I may have to turn down the
contrast.
lighting. Yeah. So yeah, we're in the waterfront. There's no one really out here. It's early in the morning. Stuff is just opening. What did I say we were going first? Marshall. What's the first store?
Marshalls?
Is it Marshall's? What's the first store before Ross?
Oh, very good.
TJ Maxx. Right? Ain't it TJ Maxx?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna go to TJ Maxx and Ross. Then we're gonna go to, what's that place? Chic-fil-A. Get some food. Then we're gonna go to Target. Then we're gonna go to Ulta. Then I'm probably gonna get Starbucks. Then I'm probably gonna go back to Titi's house. So, yeah. I can't find my pocket. Jesus. I do need some lashes though. I feel like I get the same ones. I always get the wispies. Cause I really like wispies. Yeah, so are you listening? No? Cool. I can't get this stuff on here. Demi wispies. I like these ones better. Come here.
No.
Oh, can you get that little basket? Oh, look at this little basket. Oh, look at this little basket. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's so cute. Isn't that the cutest?
Why?
This is so cute. You can't. Look at that basket. I have a section with small things. Not all small things, so
Shut up.
don't take it like that.
No one cuts. Not even cuts.
Those are beauty blenders. It's not candy. It's not candy. Yeah. Those.
Look at all those brushes.
I know. I thought you had brushes.
Yeah,
I gotta get a tripod so I can record. What oil did you say you wanted last time?
huh?
What oil did you say you wanted last time?
Crap.
Didn't you say you wanted an oil?
Mommy.
I forgot.
Or you said you wanted something the last time we was here.
I probably did. I probably wanted a lot of things. I thought, like, what's this?
Which one is it?
It's lavender oil.
Let me see.
Lavender stem in here.
What is it for?
It's
Do you want it? Do you want it?
Yeah.
Because we can put it in this cute little basket.
I want it.
That's the deodorant everyone was trying. That has like the that and that crystal one.
Like
I
chemical
want
free
it.
and all
Yeah, but I sweat too much, so I need all the chemicals.
that. That might have been the oil I was looking for.
Well, you can switch it out, Maris. Just don't let Aiden get too close to the bottles, please. They say these rollers are good too for your skin. These rollers.
Look at what this is good.
You hear me? They said these rollers, facial rollers, are good for your skin too.
Like those J rolls?
Yeah, the J rollers. Yep.
Yes, baby.
Can you make sure he's not close to the bottles, boo? Because I don't want him to crack anything. So we're in TJ Maxx.
Oh, so lavender oil is like good for everything.
Yeah, essentially yes. Y'all gonna keep hearing Aiden repeat himself. That's his thing these days, is repeating. He loves to repeat these days. I don't know where we were at last time, but Maris, did I pass where we were at last time?
No, they just moved
Paddles,
stuff around.
Mom.
Okay,
Paddles.
go back that way.
Aromatherapy bracelet? Wow.
You see candles, Bubba?
Paddles.
You seen candles?
I can't come in the stores.
Watch.
I see it.
Okay, because the umbrella's gonna hit stuff. I don't know if I'm getting anything particularly out of here. What did I grab? I grabbed something.
You grab lashes.
I might not even get those from here. I might just go to thing.
Daffy? Wait, hold on, what?
I don't really wear blush and stuff. No, older people wear blush. I mean, younger people wear blush. This is Too Faced chocolate chip.
Too-Faced.
They got Too Faced. They got a whole bunch of NARS and MAC and Anastasia Beverly Hills. But see, a lot of colors I don't like. What's Frost lipstick? Sounds like that is going to be like not my color. That's crazy. I'm not dropping it. Aiden, be quiet. This is a pretty color. This pinky color. I wouldn't wear it, but it's cute. See, these MAC ones don't tell me the color. Well, they got Laura Mercier. This is why I should not come in here.
I will speak it into existence. I will not be broke forever.
Well, look at this color. This color's cute. It's a cute red. No, they're not samples. I'm just opening the box to look at the colors. I'm not putting them on.
I hope you're not aware of that.
Then don't get it.
No, I don't think I am. That's the thing.
Well, you just made the statement like you. Because I don't want to be buying something that you think you could be allergic
I
to.
still want to get it.
I mean, if it's just lavender, did you read the ingredients or did you just pick it up?
It's the same thing. Glycone soja, soybean oil, sunflower seed oil.
I feel like all these colors are too like. What color is this one? Joy.
Hold on.
Well, this is cute. It's like a purple color. Joy, French kiss. Really look at that one.
Yes.
Which French kiss?
Need it. What?
That's pink too. There's a lot of pinky colors. Oopsie. What's mango? Does mango sounds light, huh?
Mango sounds light.
Dulce de leche.
Caramel.
Don't let that umbrella fall. Well, that's a pretty color. That's a pretty one. Are you talking to me? Or is Bessie talking to you? Okay. Oh, I almost left my camera. I was looking for something, but I'm just gonna go to Ulta. Yeah, I'm just go to Ulta. Can you put those lashes back?
Hey,
Can you
Mom.
put those lashes back? You just getting my oil. Oh, sorry, Buzz. Hi, baby.
Yeah, as far as I know, yeah.
Huh? I'm not carrying you. We're gonna go get some breakfast. Stop touching stuff, please. Okay, guys. We're gonna go check out and then we're gonna go get breakfast. Okay. So we're in Target. We got rained on. Here's Damaris's back. Let me show you Aiden. I have my pants and my shirt are soaked. Here's Bubs. He's soaked. Say hi. Say hi. Is it on you? Say hi.
It's on.
Say hi, YouTube. I guess not. Guess you guys don't get a hi. So we went to Ross, didn't find anything. Went to yes, baby. Went to Best Buy, made that payment. Went to Ross, really didn't find anything. Went to Marshalls. I didn't want to go to Ulta Beauty. I probably won't. Probably just gonna like stay in here until the rain stops, then go home. I mean, go to my sister's house. I'm trying to find a tripod to put my new camera on. Because I have like this one at my house, but I don't want that one for this camera. I want kind of like a smaller one. I guess it's more like this one. I guess. I don't really care for that one. What do you think? That's it's the same price. That's for a phone. I don't know. I may just get one off of Amazon. You think I should just get one off of Amazon, Maris?
Yeah.
A tripod? Because I don't want to pay. This one gets long. No, this one isn't bad, but I already have this one at the house, but I use it for my other one. Hey, baby. So I need to like not get the same one. That sucks. Cause I really didn't want a tripod. This is fun. Look at these TVs. Aren't these pretty? Huh? No, y'all can get cheaper TVs. Trust me. Yeah, I really wanted low-key a new iPhone, but it's like I don't want to pay for it. Like I just don't. Come on, Mira. God bless you. He did just say he was going to get sick. I like looking at the phone cases, even though I don't even have this phone, the new iPhones. But I'll probably get it soon. Pretty sure. Maris, where'd you go? Maris, come on. God bless you. Yeah, I'm tired. I'm ready for a nap. This book is called Dragons Love Tacos. That's hilarious. Aiden's really into dragons these days. Maris, where'd you go? What book is that? What book is that?
Oh, it's called The Lemon Sisters.
Let me see.
It's good.
Let me see.
Looks pretty good.
Looks pretty good. So you guys can check it out. Look at my face is for trash.
Oh, I might have to write down this author. Hopefully I can remember her name.
Jill. Here, I'll put on my vlog. Turn around. Is it on there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So you won't forget. What?
I don't need any more books. I don't need it. I need to read the black book I have now.
Oh, I need to get him little swimmers. Don't let me forget that. Miss Maxine wants him to have little swimmers, I guess.
Yes.
Where's the makeup section? Like, where's makeup?
Down. You gotta go around.
Okay. Okay.
Trying to say it was not going well.
Okay. Your bag looks like you just ran. It's so sweaty. My feet and my socks are wet. So good call on your boots.
Do you hear that outside?
Oh, that's outside? I thought that was the air. I thought that was the air. Pittsburgh. Me too. That's what I said I wanted was a bike. I'm gonna look at these prices. Hold on. Let's look. I do want a bike before the summer's over. Bikes, when do bikes become so expensive? So here's all the bikes. I do want a bike. Especially with my Buzz. Oh, look at this vacuum. Black & Decker, $34.99.
Oh my god, my interview's tomorrow, y'all.
Guys, my sister's interview tomorrow. Wish her luck. Down below, comment good luck. You got this in the bag. See, this is a whole aesthetic. Like, look at this section. No, look at this. This is a whole aesthetic. Like, cabin, home cooked meal type feel. Oh, Hearth and Hand. That's who it's by.
I
A couple.
in my home.
What?
Not for $21.
That's not bad. That's actually cute. Okay, guys. So when I get over to the makeup, I'll come back on.
In my opinion. Fit me colors. Over here. I love Southern Glory. I think they're so cute. Don't you like Southern Glory's aesthetic? Isn't it cute? What did you say about that? Yep, aesthetic. Is that your favorite word right now? No, I just heard a lot. Aesthetic confusing. I'm gonna be such a hater. Because I say it? But that's what it's called. That's what people say when they talk about stuff like that. You're a hater, man. You just want it to be great. What you doing right now? Who said that? Hmm? What is that? That egg. That cachet egg one. It is so hot in here. I'm getting hot. What is powder puff? That's why you have to move them away. Because not people do that craziness. What's that palette? All we have is now. Cute. Ooh, baby, baby. Here we go. The blender. The blender. What, man? I found it. This is what I mean. The cachet egg. Huh? Where am I going? Nowhere, son. I'm right here. Where are you going? Where are you going? Are you going to do something? Okay. Okay. Do you get it stop raining or do you hear it? Do you hear it or did it stop?
Okay, y'all. So I'm back at my mom's house. I think Aiden is sleeping. You sleep? Yeah, I think he's asleep. My mom's he's taking a nap right now. Y'all, it rained all day. Like literally all day. I'm over it. I need to do my hair. I need to wash it. I'm just gonna probably wash it with my mom and start over here. I want to do this hairstyle. I seen, what is her name? I'm watching her right now. Let me see. Her name is Flawless Brittany on YouTube. FLAWLESS BRITNY. I think it's pronounced Brittany, like normal. I found her video. I mean, I thought I subscribed to her, but I don't know. I feel like low key on YouTube, my subscriptions be like unsubscribing. So I'm gonna subscribe again. But I watched her for a minute now. But I'm gonna do a hairstyle that I see that she just posted like a day or two ago. So I'm gonna try it. If it works, great. If not, then I'll let y'all know. I'm getting a call that I'm ignoring because I don't know that number. But yeah, guys, I'm back. My mom's chilling in her room. Has the air conditioning, so that's why I'm in here. Don't mind my face, y'all. I need to get my life together, but I will. I'm so excited about this camera. It definitely just helps a lot. Like, it'll help me with vlogging more than anything. I'll probably also use it for my sit down content too, like my makeup videos and stuff. I'm just trying to learn how to work it pretty much. So yeah. So once I wash my hair, I will go ahead and do at least a couple do at least some of the hairstyle first, then I'll come back on here and show you guys. So hopefully you guys are having a good day. Comment down below what your day consisted of. Did it rain where you're living, where you're located? It rains where I live in Vicksburg, PA, and I guess it's supposed to rain like all weekend. I don't even know, but yay me. But yeah, hopefully y'all are having y'all bestest life. Comment down below. Happy birthday to my mom. Happy birthday to my stepdad and my best friend. My best friend and my stepdad, their birthday is on Monday. My mom's birthday was just yesterday on the 10th. So cancer season. But yeah, guys, I'll come back on her once I start with my hair.